Yeah.
Close.
Okay. First video ever of this. Hi guys, we're here. We're about to start teaching acro. I don't really know what to say, but I decided to put it up on YouTube just for the fun of it. So, all right, guys, let's start. All right, yep, sit down. Straddle. All right, so we need to fix your body posture first. So, arms up. All right, so you're gonna pull. Squeeze. Good, then go down to the middle. Turn it out. Bring it up. There you go. And down. Up, up. Yeah, right?
Now I'm tapping two fingers.
No. You have really flexible back. Okay. Let's have it easy, right? Alright, grab the foot. Good. So lay on that foot. Flex it or point it. And then pull. Twist over so you're looking away from the leg. And other leg. Lay on the leg. Point and flex. It helps your muscles. Lean away from that leg. Backward. Push. And then lean in the middle. Alright, and then pike, feet together. And flex, and go down. And then butterfly. And then candlestick.
Don't fall on me.
Yep, just point up to the ceiling.
Let's go.
And then we're going to go do a seal. You know how to get into it. Push! Have a shoulder roll. And up. Good, you can touch your face with your feet. Looks like it. Alright, we're going to lean over our hands. Fingers in. And fingers out. Back. And pumpkin pancakes. Alright, before we do the split, we're going to do that big stretch to help you guys get your split back.
I practiced this on Saturday.
Good. Both legs are bent. Yep, and turn one over. It's like a wider butterfly. Turn one over, and then you're turn over the front knee. Lay on top of that knee. Good. Now go towards the front foot. Lean over the front foot. My hips cracking. Good, and then go to the middle. Good, and then go over the back knee. It hurts.
I know.
Go towards the back leg. And lay down. And just hold it. And stretch your back out and your hips. Hope that thing's still recording. Okay. Flip over. Look down through your armpit. Good. Come back to center. All right, switch legs. Lean over the front knee. Really good stretch. What I like to actually go over too with you guys, go over the front leg. Next week. We don't have time this week. Next week we're gonna go over hyper extensive stretching. That's gonna be fun. You guys will love that.
Oh.
Back leg and lay down. Yeah, it's basically enabled to do like hyperextended splits and split leaps, and it's really good for your switch leap. Really good. That's how I was able to get a really nice one.
Oh, is
And I
that
proved it to myself because I got a video of it.
Yay. Is that when you like
The one I showed you guys. I was over at the other gym.
is that when you like use one of those things and
Yes.
you put
And
your
you
legs
do,
up on it?
yeah.
And
You can put both legs up in a pike,
What?
and then start there, and then you can work around doing one leg at a time. Okay, split. One in front, one in back.
I did this today.
Good point. Now, push up tall if you're not totally there. Oh. Trying to get my back more flexible. Trying.
On the foot. Really?
Other leg. And to hold it. Yee.
I'm trying to squish down. I think it's better with socks. Because you like slide down easy.
Good. All right, do a bridge. Push up. Get those feet together. Go ahead. Good. Good. Go over if you can. Keep trying. You got it. Point your feet. Good. All right. Good. We're gonna get a drink and go across the hall.
Woohoo! Across the hall.
And we're stretching. Now we're gonna go across the hall.